ordered this Dr. Seth face wash from their website few days back. This is their Neem and Salicylic acid face wash. I was about to buy this face wash from Amazon, but I got to know that there is buy one get one sale going on their website, so I decided to buy it from Dr. Seth website. Got to know the BOGO sale from an influencer page. BOGO sale is buy one and get one free offer, and there were few products which were in this category. I selected this face wash and there was no need to apply any coupon code, so I thought I will buy one and I'll get the other one automatically free. As soon as I received the delivery, I only got one face wash. That's why I mailed them about this and I got reply the very next day. So the mail said that to avail the offer we have to add any 2 products and the other one, which is the lowest, will be free. Since in my cart I added only one product, that is why I received only one. And also they said that while placing order it displayed that you have to add 2 products, which I don't know why it was not visible to me. I find it little misleading. So that's why I went to the website again and the sale was still going on, and I added the same product in cart to check whether they have written it or not, and there was written that you have to add 2 products, but it was mentioned in small letters. When you can mention no code required in bold letters, so you should have mentioned this also in bold letters. Anyways, I learned my lesson. From next time I will be more careful while ordering anything. It was my mistake. I should be little careful while ordering it. Moving on to the review. This is the Neem and Salicylic acid face wash, and it has 1% salicylic acid, neem and Tulsi extract. It says that it deeply cleanses, exfoliates and prevents acne. Let's talk about packaging. I received this in a cardboard box. It was well packed, and the face wash also had the outer box, and this face wash comes in a tube packaging and it's quite sturdy. When you close the cap of the tube, there comes a click sound, which means it is completely locked and no product will be leaking out from there. This is 100 grams product and I got this for 284 rupees after coupon, but on Flipkart or Amazon you can get this for 250 rupees in a good discount. This face wash is really good for oily and acne prone skin and maybe sensitive skin also, because this is in a gel format. This is not very thick and not very thin, a medium consistency. You need a really little product to thoroughly cleanse your face. So this face wash foams and lather really very well. Overall, this is a good cleanser to cleanse your face, but I don't think so it can remove makeup on its own. You will require another cleanser or a cleansing balm or a micellar water to cleanse the makeup thoroughly. I have been using this product for quite a long time. I think it's been 1 month, over 1 month, and I'm using this regularly. Agree on the part that it's deeply cleanse your face but exfoliate and prevent acne. I don't really think I have a doubt about it, because I have oily skin and I'm not that acne prone, but once in a while I do get acne here and there on my face, and it didn't do anything for that. This face wash is nothing extraordinary. It's a regular face wash to cleanse your face, but I think there are many better salicylic acid face wash available in the market right now. I don't think that I'm going to repurchase this product. If you really want something, a no nonsense product which can thoroughly cleanse your face, then this one is for you. But you want a nice exfoliating or for acne prone skin, I don't think so this will work for you. So yeah, that's it for this review. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.